Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how we can change the mouse cursor color and size on a MacBook Pro macOS. So to change this, first go to the settings. Under the system settings, search with accessibility. Here you will see this display option. Go to under the display. Here you can see pointer option. Here only we can increase, decrease the mouse cursor size. As you can see here, with the help of this handle we can increase and decrease the mouse cursor size, as well as we can change the mouse cursor color as well. This is for outline color and this is for the pointer fill color. So let me change. As you can see, outline become the black and pointer fill with the green color. So this is how you can change the mouse cursor color as well as increase the size. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in next video.